Hey crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm going to talk about Base, one of the most talked about airdrops in the crypto world. If you've already completed the tasks, earned points, or participated in their testnets, you might be eligible to receive Base tokens. Additionally, if you've been following the project from the start, you might qualify as well. So, what is Base? Base is a scalable and secure platform for decentralized applications, dApps, built on Ethereum. What makes it unique? It offers the simplicity and accessibility of Ethereum with high throughput and low fees, unlocking new opportunities for developers and users alike. Additionally, the project is being actively developed under Coinbase, which boosts trust in the platform. If you want to know how to participate in the airdrop and check your eligibility, all the links are in the description below. That's it for today's guide. If this video helped, hit like and share it with those who are also looking to participate in airdrops. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides and security tips. Stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy farming, crypto fellows!